Are you looking for the best auto-leveling 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best auto-leveling 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. FLSUN SR Acer Delta 3D Printer. The FLSUN SR Super Acer Delta 3D Printer is a cutting-edge 3D printing device designed to offer high-speed and accurate printing capabilities for enthusiasts and professionals alike. With a focus on speed, precision, and user-friendly features, this printer aims to deliver an exceptional printing experience. One of the standout features of the FLSUN SR Super Acer is its impressive high-speed printing capability, allowing for rapid production of 3D printed objects at speeds of up to 200 mm per second. This feature is particularly useful for users who require quick prototyping or efficient production of functional parts. The printer incorporates an auto-leveling mechanism, which ensures that the print bed is perfectly leveled before each print job. This eliminates the need for manual bed leveling, saving time and reducing the chances of print failures due to improper bed leveling. Number 2. Longer LK4x3D Printer. The Longer LK4x3D Printer is a notable addition to the world of 3D printing technology. This printer offers an array of features designed to enhance user experience and streamline the 3D printing process. With its 3D touch auto-leveling capability, the printer ensures optimal printing conditions by automatically calibrating the print bed. This feature helps eliminate the need for manual bed leveling, saving users time and effort, while also improving print quality. One of the standout features of the Longer LK4 X is its impressive level of pre-assembly. The printer arrives with approximately 95% of the assembly already completed, significantly reducing the setup time and complexity for users. This is particularly beneficial for those new to 3D printing, as it minimizes the learning curve and allows users to get started on their projects more quickly. The printer's open-source motherboard is another noteworthy attribute. By incorporating an open-source design, Longer LK4 X encourages customization and modification. This means that users have the flexibility to adapt and enhance the printer according to their preferences, as well as access a supportive community of makers and enthusiasts who share their innovations and improvements. Number 3. ZONESTAR Multicolor 3D Printer. The ZONESTAR Multicolor 3D Printer, specifically the Z9V5 Pro model, is an advanced and versatile 3D printing device designed to provide a high-quality and user-friendly 3D printing experience. This printer is equipped with 4 extruders, allowing for multicolor and multi-material printing, making it an excellent choice for producing intricate and vibrant 3D printed objects. One of the standout features of the ZONESTAR Multicolor 3D Printer is its 4in1out capability, which enables the printer to handle 4 different filaments simultaneously. This feature allows users to create complex designs with varying colors and materials in a single print, opening up a wide range of creative possibilities. The printer comes with a closed frame design, which helps maintain a stable printing environment by minimizing external factors that could affect the print quality. Additionally, the large build volume provides ample space for printing sizable objects or multiple smaller objects in a single print run. Number 4. Creality Ender 3S1 Pro 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3S1 Pro 3D Printer represents an advanced and enhanced version of the popular Ender 3 series, catering to both hobbyists and professionals seeking a reliable and feature-rich 3D printing experience. This printer is equipped with a range of impressive features, including a 4.3-inch touchscreen interface, a 32-bit silent motherboard, full metal construction, integrated LED lighting, and CR Touch auto-leveling technology. One standout feature of the Ender 3S1 Pro is its 4.3-inch touchscreen, which offers an intuitive and user-friendly interface for controlling the printer's settings and monitoring the printing process. This touchscreen streamlines the user experience and provides quick access to various functions, making it easier for both beginners and experienced users to operate the printer effectively. Number 5. Geeetech A30T 3D Printer. The Geeetech A30T 3D printer represents an advanced and innovative addition to the world of 3D printing technology. Designed by Geeetech, a well-known manufacturer in the 3D printing industry, the A30T is a 3-inch 1-out auto-leveling mix-color 3D printer that offers a range of impressive features. One of its standout capabilities is its mix-color printing function, allowing users to create intricate and colorful 3D prints with a high degree of precision. The printer boasts a generous build volume of 320 by 320 by 420 millimeters, providing ample space for creating larger and more complex models. This sizable print area enables users to explore their creativity and bring their design concepts to life in impressive detail. One notable feature of the Geeetech A30T is its automatic bed leveling system. This feature ensures that the print bed is perfectly leveled before each print, which is crucial for achieving accurate and consistent results. This saves users the time and effort of manual bed leveling and enhances the overall user experience.